Hi, Mayor. Today I'm excited to be at Esperanza Park in my district to talk about all the wonderful things we've done with our parks and streets in Cathedral City. As you can see behind me, Esperanza Park is almost ready for a grand opening celebration on May 22nd. That's just 9 days away from today. Our entire City Council and staff is really proud of this beautiful new park. What makes this park so special is our committee helped design it. We had many meetings where neighbors came to share their ideas. This park will have something for everyone, places to walk, play sports, and even a new dog park area, where residents can bring their pets to play safely. This new dog park builds on what we learned from the success of our popular Panorama Park. Speaking of Panorama Dog Park, it continues to be one of our most visited parks in the city. It has beautiful grass, good lighting, shade structures, and water stations for both people and dogs. And we recently added a safer pedestrian crossing to make it easier for everyone to visit with their furry friends. Let me tell you about some of our big street projects this past year. After Tropical Storm Hilary hit us hard, we moved quickly to fix our damaged streets in the Panorama Neighborhood. Our team repaired Vista Chino, Horizon Road, Avenida La Vista, and Adelina Drive in just under 1 year after the storm. That's something we can all be proud of. Our public works team has been busy with many other projects as well. We cleaned out the soil buildup under the Ophelia Brungas Bridge and the Day Palm Drive Bridge. We finished the sidewalk on Via De Anza south of Ortega. We installed a brand new traffic signal at Landau Boulevard and McCallum Way. We repaved parks at East Palm Canyon Drive and Vista Chino. And we improved Day Palm Drive from Gerald Ford to East Palm Canyon Drive. We also made our parks better this year. We completed a brand new basketball court at the Lower Cathedral City Cove, and we renovated the baseball field at Century Park. Looking ahead, we're planning to make Dennis Keat Soccer Park and Century Park more accessible for people with disabilities. We're also studying where we might build a new recreation center in the near future. All these improvements to our parks and streets are part of our plan to make Cathedral City an even better place to live. We want our outdoor spaces to be beautiful, safe, and enjoyable for everyone who lives here or visits our city. Thank you for letting me share this exciting project with you today. Back to you, Mayor.